Hi everyone, welcome back. So today's look is on this soft glam with a pop of color. I know this is probably not what you're expecting with a soft glam, but I decided to show you guys that you can use a bit of a pop of color for a soft glam and it still looks soft. So yeah, you can use any eyeshadows that like color that you want. So if you wanted to use just neutral colors for this look, if you want to use a purple, like pink, like light colors, then you could do it. But I just wanted to show you that you can do a soft glam with a pop of color. So if you're interested in this look, please keep watching. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you next time. I hope you like it. So I already primed my face for the makeup before. So I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, and today I'm going to be using a new product, trying it out for the first time. Let's see if it's any good. And it's this brow power.
To begin filling the eyebrows, I like to line the bottom of my eyebrow, then I like to line the top of my eyebrow, then little by little I will go filling it in, mostly towards the end. And then I'll go in the beginning of the eyebrow, fill it up a little tiny bit, and then with the spoolie I'll brush all of my hairs upwards, and that's basically it. So here I'm taking my foundation, and this is by Milani, and I am in the color Nude, and I'm just going to dab that all over the face. Then I'm going to be taking my beauty sponge and I'm going to be blending the foundation nice and even all over the face. Although I did find out that with a brush, the foundation blends much nicer. Then I'm taking my corrector, and this is by Maybelline, and I'm just going to be dotting that underneath the eyes. After, I will be blending it in with my ring finger very lightly because this is a very sensitive area of the eye. Then I'm going to be applying my concealer, and this is my all-time favorite drugstore concealer, and it's by Maybelline. Then gently with my beauty sponge, I'm going to be blending out the concealer. Then I'm going to be using my Studio Makeup loose powder, and I'm going to be using that to set the concealer and also for any fallout. Then I'm taking my Shade and Light contouring palette, and I like to contour my cheeks, my forehead, under my chin, and my nose. Then I'm going to be baking some cookies. Just kidding, I'm going to be baking my face, and I like to apply it on my nose and cheeks. So today I'm going to start my eyes with the Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to be taking the first brown color on the bottom, which is called Latinus. I'm going to be using this blending brush by NYX Cosmetics and applying the eyeshadow on the crease area to use as a transition color. I'm going to be highlighting the brow bone, and I'm using this highlighter by Pure Cosmetics. The second palette I'm going to be using today is by JUvias Place, and I'm going to be taking the yellow and I'm going to be applying that on the crease as well, blending it in with the brown color that I had from before. Then I'm taking the turquoise color, which is a matte turquoise color, and I'm applying that just on the eyelid and making sure I pat it nice and even throughout the eyelid.
This is my Sigma eye shading brush, and it's been my favorite for years. And I'm going to use the Cover FX setting spray, and I'm going to spray that on my brush, and then I'm taking this beautiful shimmery color, and I'm just going to focus that on my eyelid. And she is so beautiful. Look at that. I said this was a soft glam, but this color is amazing. Amazing. Taking the brown again, and I'm just going to go over that just so that they can blend nicely. Just gonna check if everything's nice and blended and blend everything in.
Here I'm just brushing off the loose powder that I had underneath my eyes.
Taking the brown color that I was using before and applying that underneath the eye.
Then I'm taking the same highlighter that I used for the brow bone, and I'm going to be applying that in the inner corner, and I swear this amazes me every time. It is so pigmented and so bright and beautiful. I'm in love. So I applied my falsies off camera, and here I'm just applying mascara on the falsies to unite both of my eyelashes and the falsies together, and then I'm going to be applying mascara on my bottom lashes. After I'm finished with the eyes, which by the way it was pretty easy, it was only like 3 steps, which is amazing, I am going to be removing the loose powder from underneath my cheeks, and I'm taking my Pure Cosmetics bronzer and I'm applying that on top of the contour that I had on my cheeks and just blending both together. Then I'm going to be taking the blush from my palette that I used the highlighter from, and I'm applying that on the apples of my cheeks. Then for the highlighter, I'm going to be using the same highlighter I used for the brow bone and the inner corner of the eyes, and I'm just going to be highlighting my cheekbones, top of my eyebrow, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin area. Then to set the face, I'm going to be using my Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to be using one of the powders from this palette, and I'm going to be applying that underneath the eyes, the forehead, the nose, and the chin. So after I'm finished with the face, I apply my lippie, and this is by Limecrime, and it's called Trouble, and it's a beautiful brownish, nudish, orangey, mustardish. It's just a beautiful, beautiful color, and it actually went well with the eyes, which I really, really like. So yeah, I'm just going to be applying this all over the lips. So this is the finished look. This is my soft glam with a pop of color look. Thank you so much for watching. If you do recreate this look, please let me know with a comment below, or go to my Instagram and comment on my picture. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Mwah.